Creating safe cargo ship transportation. MF Shipping Group is responsible for transporting cargo from harbor to harbor. Each ship's draft is determined by the weight of its cargo and the speed of the vessel. To prevent underwater collisions, a minimum ship depth needs to be maintained for each zone of their route. It's not just the body of water's floor that varies. Tides also impact the available water depth. Using this data and the draft of the vessel, the captain calculates whether safe passage is possible for each zone of their route. Not only is this a time-consuming process, but human error can also risk the ship running aground. At Studio Maui, we've developed a tool that combines all of this important data. We've collected data on each zone, the impact of the tides, and indexed ship draft based on the speed of the ship and the weight of the cargo. Now, a captain can simply enter their departure time and cargo weight to see whether they're safe to sail. If there's a zone on the route where sailing isn't possible, the captain can see the waiting time available in the previous zone before their next zone is safe to travel through. Thanks to Studio Maui, MF Shipping Group can transport their customers' cargo swiftly and safely.